Welcome to the Tesrex YouTube channel and our Cisco Webex Room Kit tutorials. First of all, open the Webex control panel and click Devices. On the right hand side, you should click to open the web interface of the device. And then click Proceed. From this page, click the Setup drop-down and click Personalization. Scroll down slightly until you reach this point. Your background image should be 3840 pixels by 2160 to avoid a stretched picture. Click Upload Image and find it within your files. Once it's uploaded, we can move on and do the same thing with your logo. This should be 272 by 272 pixels. Scroll down to this point where you can enter some custom text for your device to display. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.